how to change time zone in MetaTrader 5. Now, if we open up the application here, and I just go back to the home screen, you can select settings at the bottom right, and you should see again settings at the very bottom. If we select it, you may have noticed that there is no option to change the time zone. However, what we can do instead here is close the app itself. Then we will go into our phone settings, and here from our phone settings, we would just want to search for region. Okay, so you should see general language and region. Once we select it, we can choose a new region here from the list, and hopefully once we choose a new region, this is going to change the the time zone for MetaTrader 5. If it still doesn't work, then that means that it's connected to the XNES servers and you can't really change it. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.